First train in the morning, up the next day, August 10th, Monday. Here comes. Eastbound. It's coming, but if it's gonna rain, I'm gonna have to move, okay? Hopefully the train will hurry up. I don't think it's supposed to rain, but you never know. It's already coming. Sounds like a ES4 for DC unit. I can hear it. Yeah, it is. I can hear it. Here it comes. Early in the morning. Here it comes. Gates are going down way up there. In the Chesterton, Indiana, USA area. There we go. Coming. Train 1 for today. But that's like total of 40 almost. That's a lot. From yesterday or last night. There we go. Here it comes. Like I said, if it rains, I'll have to. It's alright. We're good so far. Norfolk Southern. Yep. That's why I thought the lights were flashing. Coming fast, dude. Here he is. Here comes. Train. Hi. Second track. Yeah, it's going fast. Intermodal. Yep. Yeah. Right. Onward. Oh. Honking, waiting. Everybody heard that. That was awesome. Yeah, he waved. Yep. He waved. Oh. Alright, it happens. Stay still, that's what you have to stay still. Satellite or whatever, that happens. That just happens. Yeah, it just happens. Damn it. I know, buddy. Skip it. I can't help it. Alright, we're not going to complain, okay? We're trying. Good. Skip it, come on. Yeah. There it goes. Yep, I think so. It is. We're good.